Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can reset your Dyson HP02 hot and cold air fan. Might be useful if you're having problems and you want to reset it back to factory settings when you got the machine. First thing we're going to do is, because we have it connected via the app, we're going to disconnect it from the app, and then we need to hold down the power button for around 20 seconds in order to reset the machine itself. So from the home page in the app, we're going to go to the settings icon just here. We're going to go to your machine settings, and we're going to go all the way down to the bottom where it says remove machine. So we're going to tap it here, and it says here, this will permanently remove the machine from the My Dyson app for you and all connected users. So to reset, to clear your machine's Wi-Fi settings, first tap remove above, next hold down the power button on the machine for 20 seconds. Once reset, the Wi-Fi light will flash white and green. Now remove this machine from the My Dyson app. Tap remove. Your machine has been removed. Right, you can see now it's gone from here. We're now going to hold this down for 20 seconds starting now, and we'll have a look at what's happening to this Wi-Fi light. So I've still got it held in, so now we've got flashing green. Now the Wi-Fi's gone out. And there we go, I can let go now. You can see it was flashing white and green. So now it's been reset. So there we go, that was nice and straightforward. If you've never connected to your app, obviously you don't have to disconnect it from the app. You can just go straight to here for 20 seconds. And when it flashes to white and green, you know then it's been reset and you can let go. Thanks for watching.